Hello friends, this is Bruce Conn here. I'm reporting from the outskirts of the great city of Warsaw, Poland, and specifically I'm on the shores of the Vistula River. The Vistula River is a major navigable river moving into the center of Poland, into Central Europe, and it's also the river upon which Warsaw was built many centuries ago. Not only is this a major navigation, of course, but it's a place where there are a variety of industries and human activities, and sadly it's also a place through which invasive species can come, and also invasive pathogens that can cause diseases among humans and among animals. It's for this reason that my research group and I have worked on this river now for over a quarter of a century. We've been doing studies here specifically on the invasive mollusk, the zebra mussel, which also invaded North America, the United States and Canada many years ago, and has been invasive in many parts of the world. It is a problem in and of its own right, but our studies here have looked at the different parasites that become associated with this and how they can affect the establishment of this invasive population. Most importantly, we have been looking into the use of these invasive mollusks as a way of monitoring for human parasitic diseases. In fact, we have specifically used this river and far to the north of where I am now at the Vistula Lagoon, which is where this river empties into the Baltic Sea. And we've been looking at how the mollusk, in filtering the water from the river, can pick up human pathogens or zoonotic pathogens that can be transmitted between humans and animals. In fact, we have found a lot here and in our studies throughout Europe and in the major navigable systems around the world. What we've done, though, is we've learned to use this as a sentinel species to give us information about when and where and to what degree these pathogens can come into a particular area and infect people. The infections can cause a lot of problems, from mild diarrhea in some. It can also be a great killer. In fact, Cryptosporidium parvum that we study primarily is one of the top 3 diarrheal killers of children in the world. And so the disease is quite important, therefore our research is quite important. And so we're going to continue to work here and around the globe, trying to find ways to suppress the movement of invasive species, to suppress the movement of invasive pathogens, to give people a way of knowing when and where these pathogens may come into human contact, and therefore to control them and spare people, giving people good health. I'm going to go along now and reporting back from other places while I'm here for the next couple of weeks doing research and meeting with colleagues. So in the meantime, stay safe, stay healthy, and take care.